planet is moving constantly and continuously. Billions of actions take place every second. Every new day brings us new opportunities, new circumstances, and solutions. In the modern world, speed is increasing, and we are increasingly moving towards our goals, multiplying the number of tasks. Movement is life. We are not comfortable standing still. We are used to going forward. Forward to improvements. Forward to our future. Every day, millions of people need different types of transport moving around the planet. They cultivate the land, build houses and factories, transport various cargoes. And BELSHINA acts as a reliable guide to one of the main components of any vehicle. Various types of tires for almost all possible vehicles on the Earth, ensuring with quality and reliability for all these processes. BELSHINA, the art of motion. The heart of the company is located in Belarus, a country with a highly developed industry, a service sector, and agriculture. Here, to the southwest of the capital, the main production facilities of the company are located in Boborisk. On the territory of the total area of 173 hectares are located PCR and TBR tire plant, agro-industrial tire plant, OTR tire plant, mechanical plant, as well as administrative buildings and auxiliary facilities. Full cycle of production, new equipment, and impressive experience. That is what makes BELSHINA Company one of the largest manufacturers in the industry. The company manufactures more than 350 tire sizes and constantly increases this number to meet all the requirements of the growing market. The company's products operate in completely different service and climate conditions, showing stability in all situations and steadily proving themselves in the heat, cold, on the roads, and off-road conditions. Owing to the development of unique tread patterns, the creation of a design using modern digital technologies, and the optimal combination of materials, we create a high-quality product. All it started in 1963. The building of the Belarusian tire plant was initiated in Boborisk. The plants grew one after another, and the productivity upscaled. Diversifying product range, technical facilities, and products output, the plants were steadily developing and upgrading. Leaving behind difficulties and obstacles, the company step by step was coming to a new level, keeping pace with the development of engineering and agriculture. Since ancient times, all nations had the greatest sanctity of bread, and its mystery still seems to us magical. At all times, fieldwork has been and remains a hard trade, and the modern technology helps a person to cope with it. We manufacture quality tires for all farm machinery, making this process even more effective, but the harvest certainly depends on the nature. And as the resources of our planet are rapidly depleting, we consider it our duty to undertake responsibility for our production process by rational use of energy, reduction of atmospheric emissions, and safe waste production processing. We implement the goals of environmental policy, caring about the future and the quality of people's lives. It is the people who bring this huge mechanism into motion by their work, their passion, and their belief in success. Rapid growth of the company is only possible if there are competent and motivated employees. At the moment, more than 10,000 people work in a single rhythm, each of whom contributes, grows, and develops together with our company. We are destined for a great future. We believe in it, and we are building it today, expanding the horizons and directions, creating the best possible tires for all road building machinery. We help to build skyscrapers, bridges, and highways. Loads that need to be dealt with on the construction sites are impressive, but our tires are ready for any durability tests, ensuring reliability at all, even the most complicated projects, from the construction of underground tunnels to highways. It is the roads that give us the choice. Join and shorten the distance to new opportunities. Hundreds of thousands of trucks and buses around the world running BELSHINA tires overcome thousands of kilometers every day, safely carrying passengers and transporting various cargoes. It is possible to guarantee a qualitative result only at a high technical level of all production cycles. Our designers constantly conduct researches, make new discoveries in the field of material synthesis, successfully introducing this knowledge into the production process. Based on the tire use purpose, specific component compounds are applied in each group. And of course, the fundamental factor of a good product is the quality of raw material, which is delivered to the plant only from time-tested suppliers from all over the world, and which is tested on a regular basis. The quality control system is applied to all tire production cycles, without exception, from the incoming control of raw materials and materials in the central factory laboratory to the manufactured products testing on specialized equipment. An automobile tire is a complex technical product, the creation of which is far from being an easy process. Each of its elements has its own purpose and tasks. The quality of all components and their optimal alignment in total allow to achieve phenomenal characteristics and incredible results. To be at the forefront of the tire industry, we need to be ahead and to create a pace for everyone else. The technology is developing more and more rapidly, and we are heading for innovations, introducing them into our business and taking advantage of them. In our laboratories, design and technological departments, the work on designing new, more advanced types of tires does not stop for a minute. Our technical staff is constantly in search for new solutions and methods, increasingly pushing forward the boundaries of the impossible. Each new development is subjected to a variety of tests, including the most extreme ones. From the new idea to its realization is one step. Thanks to our own mechanical plant, which has state-of-the-art equipment, we carry out full control over all processes and also minimize time costs. A new test sample from the 3D project can be converted into a ready-made prototype in the shortest possible time and sent to undergo in real conditions tests. The state-of-the-art equipment, which keeps on being constantly updated, plays a significant role in this realization. At the moment, the company implements a number of large investment projects involving the purchase of modern high-tech equipment of the world's leading manufacturers. These are state-of-the-art, powerful machines, operational dexterity and speed which shock the imagination. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, this giant works as a single unit. The rhythm of production, like the pulse of a living organism, which does not stop for a moment. A particular advantage of BELSHINA JSC is off-the-road tire plant. It manufactures tires for dump trucks, bulldozers, loaders, and also other equipment. Here are manufactured the tires with a rim set diameter of up to 63 inches are produced, and each such tire contains enough materials to put shoes on more than 500 cars. They are mounted on the largest dump trucks in the world, the total mass of which comes up to unconceivable 810 tons. Severe conditions, extreme loads are the usual environment for these tires because they have been specifically created for this. The work is humming day and night, almost without stopping in all weather conditions. It is these tires which provide reliable extraction of resources around the world through continents, languages, and religions from the northern mines of Siberia to the diamond mines of hot Africa. At the moment, the company's products have gained the trust and confidence of consumers and are successfully marketed in more than 60 countries of the world, expanding the horizons of their activities and opening new opportunities for mutually beneficial cooperation. The company is expanding dealership networks around the world, carefully listening and analyzing the requirements of each customer. Thanks to such a policy, we are the first to get to know and sometimes even anticipate the customer's demand, their preferences and feedback, and undoubtedly it helps us to become even better. In recent years, BELSHINA JSC has also created a positive image among motorsport fans. In different countries, professionals and amateurs were able to appreciate its products in action, and many have then changed their preferences. The company strongly supports the development of various sports, is engaged in social activities, and plans to develop these direction in future. Only in this way we can achieve the impossible by common efforts. The main indicator of our achievements is the care of a person. It motivates us to look for new methods, to apply innovations. We manufacture tires, and our task is to make their quality undeniable. It is a real happiness to know that thousands of people on the planet rely on and trust the quality of your product. BELSHINA JSC, keep on innovating and setting standards in the field of tire production. This is just the beginning of the great history we are creating now.